Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel to add columns. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and identify the columns you wish to sum. Select the cell where you want the total to appear, typically at the bottom of the column or in a new column to the right. This initial step sets the stage for applying various addition functions. We'll cover both simple formulas and more advanced techniques to ensure accuracy and efficiency in your data management. The SUM function is Excel's most common way to add numbers. After typing equals sum into your target cell, simply click and drag your mouse to select all the cells you want to include in the sum. For instance, if you need to add values from cell B2 to B15, your formula will look like equals sum B2, B15. Close the parenthesis and hit enter, and Excel will instantly calculate the total for you. It's a straightforward and powerful tool. For even faster column addition, auto sum is your best friend. Just click on the empty cell right below the column you want to total. Then, navigate to the Home tab in Excel's ribbon and click the Auto Sum button, which looks like a Greek sigma symbol. Excel will intelligently guess the range of numbers you intend to sum. If the suggested range is correct, simply press Enter, and your total will appear instantly. Beyond basic sums, Excel offers flexibility. To add cells that aren't next to each other, hold down the Control key while clicking each individual cell you want to include in your SUM formula. For more complex calculations, or if you're unsure about a function, the Insert function wizard can guide you step by step. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These methods ensure you can handle any column addition scenario with confidence and precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.